AI dependency means relying on artificial intelligence so much that people stop thinking, remembering, or solving problems on their own. Imagine having a very smart backpack that could answer your homework, choose your clothes, and even write your messages. It sounds helpful, but if the backpack does all the work, your own muscles for thinking may get weaker. AI tools can save time and make hard jobs easier. They can help doctors notice patterns, help drivers find roads, and help students learn new ideas. Used well, AI is like a bicycle for the mind. It helps you go farther and faster. But every tool can become a crutch if we lean on it too much. If a person always asks AI for answers, they may practice less. Then skills such as memory, writing, planning, and problem-solving can grow rusty, just like a toy left in the rain. The best way to use AI is as a helper, not a replacement. A student might ask AI to explain a tricky idea, then try to solve the next problem alone. A writer might use AI to suggest ideas, then choose the best words by themselves. A scientist might use AI to search for patterns, then use careful human judgment to test what is true. This balance matters because thinking is like exercise. The more you use your brain in different ways, the stronger it becomes. AI can be a helpful coach, but your own mind still needs practice, curiosity, and patience. So AI dependency is not about avoiding AI. It is about using it wisely. The goal is to let AI support human thinking, while people keep the skill of thinking for themselves.